show you how to go from this graphic right here to something that looks like this. And we are going to tap the plus sign. Here is the image, and we're going to look at the info button. It's called background blue gradient. We're going to click the three dots and set image as background. We're going to click the background and go ahead and click effects. This is what's going to allow us to change the color. There are several options you could choose, including one called color mix, but I'm going to use photogenic. The first few really look very similar, but if you scroll all the way down to the right, here we go, there are some that look completely different. Let's look at outrun and click done. Now we're going to get out of effects and then scroll to the right until you see adjust. Scroll down. We're going to blur this. It just needs a blur. And then you've got your design. If you want to use this over and over for your branding, download it. So on mobile, this is Android. I just need to click download right there, and it's saved for me. What I can do is upload it into my projects. And you'll see that I already have one in there, but you could actually download this one with the blur, which looks really nice. I'm going to add effect, which is going to take away the blur, I think, but I'm looking for duotone. Here it is. Let's see if you could also use a duotone. What about this coral? And you can even change the color if you want to match your branding. And then we can click adjust and give it a little blur. And that's just, it's amazing how much you can customize a single element. It started off like this, but now it looks like that.